is so... I thought they're all dead. They're just enjoying the sunshine. So the camp is almost set, that's our tent. So today we came to our first camping with Lydia.
Hi,
She's eating...
I'm Lydia.
Yeah, and Brian, he's fighting with poison oak over there because they're gonna set tent.
Yeah, that's not team reserve, that's me.
It's really amazing place. Come on. It's not crowded and covered by tree. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing.
This is the place. We have our own table,
Yeah.
two like barbecue places. One tent here, one tent there.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Wow, you can spin? So you guys trying to set up hammock. Okay, then we're gonna go hiking. Hopefully we're gonna come back before it's dark. It's gonna be 4 miles hike, which is 4 miles longer than we expected with Ivy. Managed hammock, and they managed
Yes.
setting up a tent.
The bottom.
I think so.
Our home is ready, almost.
Yes.
Okay, we finished our lunch and we are going for a hike now. How long is the hike, do you know? About 5 miles.
Yeah.
5 mile hike.
Easy peasy.
Water? You got water? Flowing water?
Good. 来，然后很好看。
How long since we started?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Did you enjoy it?
Yes. Full of energy still.
You're a liar.
No, you see me? Thank you.
They ran all this trail. I wonder if they can make it walking. That is our destination over there. Okay, I made a mistake twice. I thought this is the top.
No, no.
But no, we are going up to that hill and then over there. Left, 50 feet. Right there. And we have officially made to the second top. Ivy? See what happened?
Here.
I don't know. That's an animal.
I think so.
That's an animal, but
It's not a squirrel, right?
why
Squirrel
does an
couldn't do
animal
that.
want coal?
We have lots of food in that tent over there. If it was a raccoon or, I don't know, a bear, they would smell that for sure. Baby, did you enjoy the hike?
Yeah, I enjoy a lot.
From 1 to 10, how much?
10, 11.
Liar. These guys enjoying beer and chips.
Cheers.
We're gonna have our barbecue soon. It's almost ready. Okay, so it's either red
Red.
or
skip.
Skip.
or skip.
Well, he can play it. Can you play that?
No.
No, I think.
No, you
No,
cannot
you
play.
can play. If he picks any, and I think he can play it. He can play
No,
it.
no, you can, that's last time I can play, but you
I
said
thought
that
you could draw and then play.
I
No.
read it.
Well, we'll just keep playing this.
We
way.
make our own rules.
We
No,
just
so
play.
you grab it, don't play. Oh no, no.
Oh no, you can't team up.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh my gosh. You have a gravity.
I take my words. I finished.
About to have dinner. Okay, so today we're having Chinese style barbecue, right? Pretty sure they know what they're doing. Right?
We had some trouble, but when you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. In every life we have some.
Well, rice is ready.
When you worry, you make it
So good.
This chicken's ready.
Yeah.
Beef is getting ready.
需要再刷一遍
It's almost ready. Can we do one cheers?
Cheers. Cheers.
It's a video, not a photo.
It's a It's always medium.
It's ready, buddy. Yeah.
这个不好吃。
It's cool.
Bacon.
Like, you see how I'm sitting down? It's very hot down here, so I can't sit down for a long time.
It's really good. Baby, try it.
I just try to have it.
Then I'm gonna finish it.
Okay, it's morning. We woke up having preparing breakfast. Preparation breakfast.
Yes.
What is this? Oatmeals, right?
Yes.
Okay, and Lydia is cooking like eggs
Yes.
and bread. We're gonna fry this and put the egg inside.
我感觉最好都做没
Eggs,
剩
porridge,
就
so
有
many
了。
things.
So good this one.
You didn't even chew.
I chew.
You just bite it. Oh, so good.
I can feel it.
Let me show you. It was like this. Ah, so good. Oh,
You try it. Put in your mouth. Yeah. I wanna put some.
it is good.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You didn't chew again. You're a
I
liar.
chew it.
Camping almost finished and we had our breakfast. Do you think it was successful?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I like it so much. Yesterday I saw the new kiwi. Okay, that's all. You don't need to say anything. I think I saw it.
It was Milky Way. It was a plane, but overall it was a good trip. It was
Yeah,
good. I like the
it
place.
so much. You
Let
know.
me show the place one more time. Yeah, a couple of tents. Actually, at night, yesterday after we finished our dinner and everything, we had to set this tent and move our tent like twice or 3 times.
Yeah.
Brian and Lydia washing dishes. We're gonna pack everything, clean the spot, and we're gonna go. We have another place, yeah?
Yeah.
It's somewhere on the seaside. They said it's a beautiful place. We can. It's not like a hiking. We're just gonna walk along the beach. I understand.
Yeah.
They said something easy, and I cannot hike because my leg hurts. I'm old.
You are old.
My knee.
I'm okay. Say.
So funny how they feel hot probably and they just cover themselves with sand like this guy right now. Well, we are going to the last today's stop. There's like a really tall cliffs. This is the last stop today. I mean, after this we're gonna go have lunch and go back home, but like no more camping, no more hiking. I hope. My knee hurts after yesterday's almost 5 miles hike. I'm old. Look at me. I look like a cucumber.